Good morning guys, today I am back with another video, and this video is about a do-it-yourself job. Today I will show you how to remove and refit rear speakers in a Ford Fiesta Classic. Here is the rear speaker. Actually this particular wire that connects to the speaker has got snapped, so I need to remove this speaker from this particular speaker tray, and then repair this particular thing and reinstall it. Now the first step will be to fold these back seats. So these are the locks, so let me do it one by one. So I have folded the back seat. Now I will have to remove this particular trim, and below this trim are your speakers. So for removing this particular trim, I need to remove this particular two screws, and after that I will be able to remove it. So let me first remove the two screws from these trims. Now I have removed this particular trim with the help of a flat screwdriver. Now there is a screw inside. There is a screw inside, as you can see. The screw has to be removed now. For this you need a Phillips head screwdriver. So I have removed the screw. Now I will remove this trim. The procedure is not that user friendly, where in other cars you can simply remove this grill and remove it, but here you have to follow this procedure. Now I need to remove all these trims also. So I have removed this particular trim remover, this particular clip. Now I need to raise it. There is another one. Now remove the weather trim. So there are the speakers. Now as you find, there are 4 screws, so I will remove the screws one by one. I have removed the speakers successfully. Now I will need to go to a speaker repairing shop. As you can see, these two particular wires have been snapped by some fool previously. So I will take it to the speaker repairing shop, repair it and reinstall the same thing. So let's go to the speaker shop. So I have come to the speaker repair shop. So here the speaker will be repaired, and after repairing I will take the speaker for refitting. Now let me reinstall the speakers back to the position. Simple hand tight will be more than enough. Like this I will install all the 4 screws. Let me clean this area. Now let me fix the wires and test first, then I will reinstall all the covers. So I have installed the speaker jack connections, and now I will first check whether it's working or not. So all the 4 speakers are working. So the job has been successful. So let me install all the covers and refit all the trims. Now, let me install all the trims. Installation will be pretty easy. Opening is little bit difficult. So now let us install all the side trims. So I have fitted the trim, reinstalled the screw, and I will give the trim cover. Okay, so this side is complete. Like this I will do to the other side also. So I have completed both the side trims. All these have been completed. This is the video how you can remove and refit your rear speakers of a Ford Fiesta, and this can be done easily by you if you are a do-it-yourself guy like me. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because your subscription gives me more encouragement to make videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please do subscribe.